Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware readiness. Make sure laptop Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled and drivers are current. Once done, power the smart lock and set it to pairing mode per its manual because connection fails if the lock isn't discoverable. Next, download the official app installer for Windows or Mac OS. Choose the correct build. Run the installer and accept permissions. This allows device access. After installation, launch the app so you can begin the secure pairing sequence. You now sign into the app and grant necessary permissions. Location and Bluetooth are often required so discovery works reliably. Once signed in, tap Add Device and let the app scan. When the smart lock appears, select it and follow prompts. Enter the PIN or scan the QR code on the lock if requested. After pairing, configure access levels and schedules so only authorized users gain entry, and set a secure backup recovery method because recovery saves time if you lose access. Finish by testing lock and unlock from your laptop several times and confirm the activity log records each action. This verifies communication and permissions. Make sure auto updates are enabled so firmware and app security stay current, and enroll trusted users or devices to avoid lockouts. If something goes wrong, try one key fix first. Reboot the laptop, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and restart the smart lock. If pairing still fails, reset the lock to pairing mode and repeat the pairing steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.